these hair. I don't know what's going on here. It look like new growth, but they like. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today video, it's a protective style that I am going to put in. I was not going to wash my hair today this weekend and style it, but as you can tell my voice, I feel like I'm getting sick. I am not feeling well. It has been a really busy weekend. I had a lot of errands to do, things to do around the house, but whenever I don't feel like myself and in a bad mood, washing my hair relaxes me, and something about like the water running through my scalp put me in a better mood. So hopefully I feel much better. I'm already like starting to feel a little better. Maybe later on today after like a good smoothie, that will help. But I washed my hair. It's been like about 30 minutes. It's been wrapped in this, so we're going to do a quick protective style, and so I can have it for the week. It is going to be another busy week, so I want something that's going to last for the entire week without me touching it. So that's what we're doing today. If that's something that you are interested in, keep on watching and see what we are end up with. The product that we're going to be using today for this style, my leave-in conditioner from Shea Butter. Guys, I'm going to try my best to remember to put my Amazon storefront in the comment or in the descriptions. I always forget it, just in case if you guys are curious, want to check the product out, so it's there for you. This is the curl cream and my hair butter. I always use a hair butter when I'm doing any type of protective style because it keeps my hair moisturized for a longer time, and I do not have to moisturize my hair midweek. This is what works for me, so that's what I'm going to use today. First, I like to moisturize my hair to the leave-in conditioner, and then start with the parting of the styling. So we're gonna start with this side. Also, I have my rosemary water that I have here that I'm gonna be using. In the shower, I did not detangle my hair with any tools. I just used my fingers, so the detangling is gonna start with me moisturizing my hair. I'm just gonna detangle as I'm doing it. I'm gonna spray it with some water first. Water smells so good. I love rosemary water. Leave-in conditioner. Curl cream. loosely twisted. I'm going to repeat the same process all over my head, so I'm not gonna make you waste your time. So this is the same thing I'm gonna do with my entire head. Okay, now that my hair is moisturized, we are going to style it. I'm going to use this styling gel and my brush. We are going with this comb so it can help me part my hair, because we're gonna go today with like a side, 2 braids but 1 sideway. That's the idea. And I can turn it to a braid out if I want to midweek or Friday or maybe for the weekend. Because the next time I'm going to wash my hair is gonna be for my silk press that I'll be filming. I'm going to be doing it myself at home, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. The itch of washing my hair next weekend. If I want to, I'll just wash my hair. It relaxes me for some reason. Weird. Alright, so I'm gonna start. Good. Braiding on wet hair is always harder for me, but I can do this. I got this. You want to make sure your hair is fully detangled. It's just easier to braid that way. We're gonna go with the gel. We're gonna go with this brush that I have forever, but it's still working, so there's no problem. So if you are learning how to braid, this is for you. it's all done, I am going to leave it like that and sit under the dryer for 20 minutes, and then I'll come back and show you what it's look like before I close up this video. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes. I sit under the dryer. I just noticed these here. I don't know what's going on here. They look like new growth, but they like, all right, so this is what it's going to be. I am going to go about my days, finish my Sunday reset to get ready for the week. But I wanted to thank you for watching. This is going to be my style. I'll probably come back tomorrow morning to make a video, show you how it's look like. But this is the style for the week, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. I pray that you are taking really good care of your hair. You're taking good care of yourself. I will see you on my next video. Bye.